In this short video, I want to talk about the new release of the CI/CD Assets Visual Studio Code Extension, which has just been released as 0.50. In this release, there wasn't really any new pieces of functionality added to the extension. It's working as I intended at the minute. But what we have done is I've actually moved the extension's source code to be in a different organization now. So rather than being directly on my GEP13 profile on GitHub, I've actually moved it into GEP13 OSS organization instead. Now that's really to allow other people to more easily be added into contributing to the extension. So if that is something you're interested in, definitely feel free to reach out. The other thing that was done was in terms of packaging up this extension, rather than embedding those chocolatey scripts directly into the package that's created, I'm making use of an extension package for Chocolatey now, which houses all those scripts in one location rather than them being duplicated across the various extensions that I use. So that's it. Like I say, very little in terms of this release. This is more of a housekeeping release. But as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions. You can get me on the links in the show notes here. And yeah, thank you very much.